brother. I need more than a piece, my brother. If you rollin' with me, my brother, just know we going past the peak, my brother. And I keep my eyes on the prize so I can never see defeat, my brother. Walking the finest line between the shining night and royalty, my brother. I ain't playing, but they see I leveled up. They fed up, I don't act like I'm fed enough. Hate the game, but I'm sure you could bet it's us. Can't complain, but I'm sure you attempted, brother. Fess it up, everything that you estimate and underrate. You can say this the latest of the greats. I always keep the statement up to date by the way that I elevate above the ranks on the way with the fleet. Take a seat, or stay out of reach. Word is mine, I ain't claiming a piece. And they backing up.
Nais ko pong magbigay ng mainit na pagtanggap sa bawat isa sa atin dahil sa napakahalagang okasyon sa gabing ito. Ngayong gabi, magkakasama tayo upang saksiyan ang chartering ng ating region, ang Diamond Agri Region CLR 75 at ng 8 clubs na bumubuo dito. At ito'y sinisimbolo ng ating dedikasyon sa pagkakaisa, pagmamahalan at pagtutulungan.
Napakaganda po ng programa o pananaw ng ating Eagles Club sapagkat kahit sa po makarating pinag-uusapan ang mga Agila, maraming natutulungan. Lahat po ginawa natin para makatulong. Siguro po yun yung dahilan kung bakit tayo dumami ngayon. Kasi iisa po yung layunin ng mga sumali dito, yung makatulong.
I hereby declare that your region is now formally affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles.
The good leaders is a good followers. Yun po ang aking natutunan sa ating National President. Tulungan po natin ang pamunuan ng bawat isa, lalong-lalo na ang ating region. Ito po ang new breed para sa kaisaysayan ng bagong ating region.
Peace Eagles, One Eagle, Fraternal Love, Opa!
Buhay ang Agila!
Tulong, pangunawa, pagmamahalan, pakumbaba at higit sa lahat, salamat sa mga ginagawa.
Congratulations Kuya Goga Enriquez, lahat ng mga chapter president, congrats. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang magkakaisang Agila.